MTD Network are at Autosport International today in Birmingham at the NEC, and I'm joined by Stuart Rossin from Titan Motorsport. Now, what a fantastic stand you have, firstly.
Yep,
but,
thanks.
you know, how you found the show?
Yeah, it's been really good. Yeah, yesterday was probably the best day. Lots of genuine interest from trade clients. This morning seems to be moving over to a bit more public, but yeah, there's still lots of interest this morning, so it's really good so far.
And you've got a fantastic heritage in motorsport and motorsport racing. You know, what is the main reasons for you attending this exhibition?
Yeah, so we attend to develop new relationships with new clients, but also establish, reconnect with existing clients. So I can probably ring off a few names of existing clients we've met and spoken about some really exciting projects that hopefully will come across in the next couple of weeks.
As a company, are you still involved with the racing aspect?
Manufacturing we are, yes, so we've got 50 years heritage in actually manufacturing cars back in the day. That's transitioned across to parts supply, which continues to be a real big success. And we've got some new technologies that are on show, for particularly on electronic power steering, so it's great success.
And what does that entail, the new technology?
So it's all about motor control, developing the software and also the hardware, and then obviously manufacturing the mechanical side of it as well, so utilising our comprehensive workshop. So yeah.
There's big changes taking place in the automotive industry with the electrification of cars, as you've kind of mentioned. How will this affect your business?
Bringing a lot of opportunities. The electrification of the vehicles are really bringing along new opportunities for EPAS, simply because there aren't hydraulic lines on the cars anymore. So people are willing to invest in development on EPAS to suit their application. So it's lots of opportunities.
And from a UK manufacturing perspective, you've got a fantastic manufacturing facility I've visited in the past, thank you. You know, how do you see the future of British manufacturing going? Yeah,
it looks really bright. I think the whole Brexit situation from last year has started to settle down. We're starting to see some new programmes off the back of that, a bit more certainty into the environment. It's going to only be good.
Stuart, thank you very much for your time.
No problem, good to meet you again.